In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region on Dhgate. This is useful when you want accurate shipping fees, delivery estimates, and region-specific options. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the site so you can update your country or region without any confusion. First, open the Dhgate website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll find the shopping cart area. Even if you haven't added anything yet, that section gives you quick access to checkout settings. Click Go to Cart to open your cart page. From the cart page, choose Get Coupon and Checkout. This brings you into the checkout flow, where Dhgate lets you review addresses and shipping. The layout may vary slightly, but you'll land on a place order or checkout page with your delivery details visible. In the delivery section, find the Ship to My Address area. This is where the site stores and applies your shipping information. Click Change to modify the address that's currently set. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the full address details. This edit view is where the region controls live, and it's the most reliable place to change your country or region so it applies correctly to your entire order. Within the address form, locate the country/region field. Open the drop-down and choose the country or region you want to use. After selecting a new country or region, the form may refresh or reveal fields specific to that location. This is normal and ensures the address format matches local requirements. Scroll a bit further down the address form and look for the state, province/region field. Open that drop-down and select the appropriate option for your new location. Making sure both the country or region and the state or province match is important because it helps Dhgate calculate shipping availability and timelines accurately. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Dhgate will update your checkout view to reflect the new region. Give it a moment to recalculate shipping costs, delivery dates, taxes, and available shipping methods. If any items in your cart can't be shipped to the new region, the site will flag that so you can adjust as needed. That's all you need to do. Your region is now updated and will be used for the current checkout. If you plan to shop regularly with this location, keep these settings in place for consistent pricing and delivery estimates. And remember, you can come back to the same edit screen anytime to switch regions again.